This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 81 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. This issue we're continuing with the second leg, the other leg, I can never remember which side we're doing, a leg. After looking through the magazine, as we always do, Darcy Tyrrell, the KSI geologist. Particularly remember Roller and Optimus. I remember that. That was like an extra thing. Yes, there we go. An accessory to Optimus Prime in many of its editions. The original 1984 GI Generation 1, also the 1993 G2. Featured a blue chassis. I'm sure it was blue. But I'm also sure I was more of a G1. Strange. Mixed memories. Don't know, but there we go. Run amok. Nope, no memory of that. But that's all cartoony stuff, isn't it? So, animated Decepticons. Insecty type things. Insectoids or something, was it? Or is that something different? Am I remembering other things again wrongly? There we go. The motorbike one's quite cool. I like that. Not sure about the guitar. Right, so the left leg is the one we're doing now. The left foot, we're doing this bit. The wheel support on the left foot is put in place. The assembly of the base of the foot is continued. So we've got another sort of toe insteppy type thing that we're putting together. Basically adding bits to increase the foot. So getting there, we're going to end up with 3 separate bits at the end of this, ready to assemble them together at some point in the near future. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. Right, here we go, parts from today's issue, and building on the foot that we've been doing before and the other bit of foot that we're going to be adding to now. Around that ends up going, but that's what we've got for now. So let's start with that bit and that bit. That is going into there. Oh, I don't juggle it. The bit with the printing on it underneath. Going to go in there like that, and we need an HP screw. That. As ever, there is one spare of each type of screw that you need, so I'll keep that aside. Hopefully we won't need it, but if we do, it's there. We'll get the screw in there. Hold all that together. There we go, that's that. Then we will need an FP screw, which is that one. That will be holding that onto there, whereabouts, next to that one. Oh, on that bit. Like that there. Go, get that tightened up in there. There we have our second foot area assembled. I'm going to tighten that up a bit more. To be loose and wobbly. But still a bit loose and wobbly. I'll see about tightening up a bit more in the future. So that is that bit. Then we need to bring in the whole rest of the foot. Temporarily remove the bridge guard. That's this bit again. There we go. We'll take that off of there for now. Then we're going to put 81G, which is the big cogwheel. And we're going to use an IP screw for that. We've got several of those, so we're obviously going to be using more of those in a minute. So this goes, where are we going? Onto there. like that. Go. That one goes in there, and the other little bit just pushes into there. Oh, it doesn't try and escape too much. Goes in there. They don't join up, but that's okay. We've got our big bit and the hinge pin, which I will probably need a pair of pliers to attach. That's going on there, that way round in there like that. That going in one side. Through that bit. Back out the other side. There we go. And that's all the way through. So that's, again, slightly hinged. All good so far. Next up, that is going onto there with 2 EM screws. These. One left in there, so that will be spare. This is to attach that. And that is going on there. That way round. Those 2 there. So we've got one over that bit. Bayoneted bit. That bit on there. That lined up. Go. That one in there. That one through the other hole. Top. Lightening up in there. Okay, but that one is not quite right. Let's try taking it out and putting it back in again. That feels better. There we go. So that's that. Then the 2 of these that I've still got. One spare for later. These are going to hold this bit back in place over that there. Like that. Doesn't matter which way up that bit goes. One in there. That one in there. And there we go. Is that nice and secure on there, because that's where another tire is going to attach onto that bit. So that's that. We'll pop that back over the top. That there. We've got that and that still spare, attaching down there at some point soon. And that is that. Another build completed. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.